diameter of binary tree. Given the root of a binary tree, return the length of the diameter of the tree. The diameter of a binary tree is the length of the longest path between any two nodes in a tree. This part may or may not pass through the root. The length of a part between two nodes is represented by the number of edges between them. In this example, we will return 3 because the longest path is having 4 nodes, so it is that is 3, right? Like if we start going from the 3, and then we have to go to the another road, so the longest path has 3. In the same way, when we go from this way, it's just 3, so the longest is just 3. Okay, how we are gonna do? Okay, so we have to look for the diameter, and then it is saying the path may or may not pass the root, so we cannot stand only at the root and then we cannot decide its diameter, because the longest path can be another road, another node. Okay, for example, in this case we will return 3, right? For if there is no 3 nodes, there is no right side of node 1, and then if we have another node and a 4, if we have another and a 5, at the time the longest path is this one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We will get 4, right? And then if we go from the root, we will get just 3 at the time. Our result will be round, so we need to check every diameters, and then we will take the maximum diameter of the nodes. Okay, how can we get the diameter? If we look at this example, that one is easy to find the diameter. We will find the height of the left side, we will find the right side height, and then we will plus those height. Now the left side height is just 1 and 2. Wherever we go, 1, 2, right? Maximum height. We will take the maximum height of the left side. We got 2. This one is 1. 2 plus 1 equal 1. Okay, so let's do the one. So in this case, we need to find the height and then diameter, right? Okay, so at the case, and then the height is simple, we can return recursively, but for the diameter we need to compare with the previous one, right? So we will need the public variable, like not public, like global variable, sorry, it's called global variable in this case. Okay, so I'm gonna create a private, no, it's not important that private, whatever it is, the immediate diameter is the one I want to return, and then I will check the height, and then I will get the diameter, and then I will return the diameter before I diameter, and then I'm gonna call another helper function because I have to use recursively call. I want to call recursively ht height and then 3 node root. Okay, so if there is no if the node is null, we will return null, we will return 0, right? There is no height. If we have the node, and then we will look for its left side and then right side, right? Okay, so I will look the left side height, and then I will call this one recursively root of left. If it is not, we will get 0, and then right height we will get 0 if it is not, and then we will return what is height. For example, if the node is 4, 0 and 0, And then because we need to, because I'm going bottom to up, bottom to, because I want to go to the bottom up, so I need to plus 1. If we didn't plus 1, I think we need to plus 2 when we are looking for the diameter, but I don't want to do like that. I will just simply enhancement dot max, we will compare left height and right height, and then plus 1. For example, if it is 4, there is no left side, there is no right side, so we will cut 0 plus 0, just 0, but we need to go to the another one, another node, right? So I will just plus 1. And then what about the diameter? We need to think about our diameters too, right? Okay, diameter, we need to check the old diameter, and then we will get the new diameter by calculating the left height and right height addition, right? Okay, so we will get this diameter. So okay, let's go. Okay, so I will call that function. Okay, just think this one in this case. Okay, one coming, okay, the 3 node 1 is coming at the time, I will go to this function, and then I will go to the left side and the right side. To the left side, I will have left side, and then this here. When it is going to the left side, there is no 0 plus 0, so the height will be 1. At the time, the diameter is 1, right? Because 0 is less than 0 is 0, so no, we're not diameter is not changing at the time. And then when it is coming 2, we have left side has 1 and the right side has 1, so we're plus, and then height is just 2, but diameter is 0, and then left side is 1 and then right side is 1, so we will get 2, right? And then we will go to the another node, this one. At the time, the left height is 1 2 2, and then right side is 1 plus 3. 3 is greater than the old diameter 2, so we'll return 3 here. Okay, so let's see what will happen to our solution. Okay, so there is some problems. Invalid the token integer in this class. Oh, where is my integer? Maximum. Oh, here is 1, but this one is record Stuart. Oh, public. Oh my goodness, my typo is really PUBLIC, right? Or private is okay if we don't want us to use to the other people. Just make it private. Okay, cool. So what if we give just 1 and 2 at a time? Just 1, right? Because the part is just 1. Okay, let's submit this one. Okay, cool. So that's it. Thank you.